Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from Northern Maine. I've got one reason for you to belong to this channel. This is the second one of these fish that I've caught in the last 2 days. This is an 8-pound lake trout, 27 inches long. So subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of stuff. This is all that this channel is about. Fishing, hunting, anything to do with the great outdoors is what I cover in this channel. So I'm looking forward to meeting you. Subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, and you have a great day. This in front of us is the point. To the right of that is the USA. To the left is Canada. And I will be headed up into there, and that's where we're going to fish. This is how big it is, as far as you can see. We're coming up on the point right now. What I'd like you to see is we're gonna pass a really big rock. And in the top of that rock, you'll see a pin. I'll spin you around, hopefully. See that big rock? And there's a pin in that. That is the pin between the United States and Canada. The pin says international border. They're up and down the lake. There's a line of them that go all the way up the lake. So Paul, I'm fishing in Canada. Wave if you see me. Awful pretty country. What a nice shoreline, huh? 14 feet of water. Turned you guys back on because I can't imagine. Not catching something on this shoreline. Salmon fishing, trout fishing is really slow. So you can't keep a camera running 24/7. That wasn't a bite, that was a bottom. Big rock. I got one lure up on the surface, and I got one down 5 feet. but it's really bony, lots of rocks. Big rock sticking up there. Big lead weight just kind of works its way up over. If we can keep a bait down there, maybe there's a salmon down there. Got my name written all over it. There's a song for catching fish too. It's taught to me by my father when I was a little boy. Oh, Salomeo. Oh, Salomeo. When I was a little boy, I thought that would work every time we'd catch a fish. Come find out we were perch fishing. That's why it worked. So now I try it on my grandsons, but they don't seem to be as gullible. All right. It never fails, but you never can have the camera up and running all the time for this kind of fishing. It's just, I've been out here all day long and you don't catch one of these every 5 minutes. This is 27 inches long, 7.5 pounds. So, oh, it's been a good day. I've been hammering the salmon out here today. Let's see, I got 2 salmon up in the cooler, and then I've just got him, so I got a full limit today outside of bass and all that stuff, but I don't fish for those if I don't have to. But anyways, I wanted to bring you in, show you this while he's still full of color. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous fish. I just caught him right on bottom with my setup that I do. So it doesn't get any better than that. Well, I'm a happy camper now. I can finally head back to the cabin. I've caught enough salmon and lake trout today to feed me for 2 weeks. Oh, goodness. I caught that fish directly on bottom with a 6-inch smelt. This is one good reason to belong to this channel. That's a nice fish. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. It's all about the state of Maine. Whether I'm deer hunting or whether I'm lake trout fishing or salmon fishing. I got 2 nice salmon up in the cooler. And now I got that 7.5 pound laker.